Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. At the moment, it seems like we just did a reset of the E wave here on the in this corrective triangle. Talked about it again in the last video that we had here this possible ABCDE triangle in place, and that I would see this as invalidated if it goes above 40 cents. Now I just checked, see how high we went. We did go all the way up to 40 cents. It shows up there exactly 40. That's actually quite unusual. But yeah, it seems to have reached just 40 cents. So it did reset the E wave, which I had here before, but it never invalidated the triangle. And yeah, seems to be coming down quite strongly. Now a triangle does not count as broken until we go below the D wave low that is currently at 38.7 cents. So it needs to break below that level. Bear in mind, we're really looking here at the micro level. So whatever we talk about here, because nothing happened looking at the bigger picture, in fact, it just is playing out at the moment, the primary count so far, even though it maxed out what it could do in this triangle. Yeah, I mean, nothing affects really at the moment this overall scenario that we have a possible wave 2 low here in the yellow box, maybe already in, maybe we come down once more, but against the 35.2 cent level, the general focus can be on higher. It's just that this looks like a corrective structure, and therefore my assumption was we get down in a C wave. It would just look much better in a C wave or with one more low here. Ideally going below the A wave low, which is at basically here 37.1 cent. Yeah, it would look much better than you had an A wave, a nice B wave triangle, and a C wave down. What I cannot rule out, and I did explain that as well, that we could get a high B wave in here, but I don't see that at the moment. It can of course always happen. Corrective structures can morph into more extended corrections, but for now, as long as the 40 cent level is in play or is intact, we are going to look at this structure primarily. Alternatively, of course, a low could have been made already here in the orange wave count, but it's only the alternative. Yeah, Alt 1, Alt 2, and we could now be in the third wave, but this currently doesn't look like a third wave rally. So yeah, it makes it more likely that we get one more low here in a C wave, but as long as we're holding 35.2 cents, the focus can remain generally on higher. As you can see, we are now moving nicely in a range. You could say the range basically started here on the 29th of March, bit of up and down here, squeezed between resistance and support. This is wave 2 support and it's B wave resistance. Only a break above 42.4 cents would eventually really confirm a breakout. Well, saying that, if we get one more low and we can have confidence that a C wave is in of wave 2, then the first initial 5 wave move up of the low and 3 wave move down will give the next upside signal that this wave 2 is in, and finally a third wave rally can start. But it really, I mean, again, all these coins, they mess around a bit, right? It really seems to take a lot of time here to finally get going. If we get too many of these 1-2 setups in the charts, and that's true for the entire crypto market, things are going to get a bit unreliable. Yeah, but yeah, for now, all the support areas seem to hold. Just see a bit of selling off. I think the S&P started that today, so it's a bit of downside pressure from the stock market. But yeah, let's see. That's really everything I can tell you. Against 35.2 cents, we can focus on higher. Micro support here to break the triangle. Initial signal will be 38.7 cents, and a break above 40 cents could take us to 42.4, and a break above that will indicate that we're already in a third wave, because until then we could simply be in the B wave. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.